Tired of guessing what an accountant should earn in your city? Get an accurate median salary estimate in Gusto in under 2 minutes. We'll start by selecting the job title and filters, then compare annual and hourly pay figures for a clear salary estimate. All right, let's start by opening up Gusto. Once it's loaded, go ahead and click on Hiring. Then, click on Estimate a Salary to get the tool going. Now, find the job title field and click on it to see the options. For example, go ahead and select Accountant from the list. Next, do the same for the seniority level dropdown. Pick an option like Junior, Any, or Senior for your example. Now click on the Labor Market dropdown as well. Then choose All, Most Expensive, Expensive, Average, or Least Expensive. After that, click to open the Industry field. For a quick example, click on Accommodations. Now, click on the Company Size dropdown to open it. Then click on All. Or, for an example, click on 5 to 9. Once your filters are set, go ahead and click on Search. Now, to see the annual view, click on Annual. Then go ahead and click on $41,600 as your example. And finally, click on Median Base Pay. If you prefer, you can also click on Hourly. Then click on Median Hourly Rate. And there you have it. You're all set with estimating a salary in Gusto. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.